Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. We're actually going to look at 3 charts tonight. And this is a little thing that I'm noticing in this market right here, right now. As you know, it's kind of been a choppy market the last couple of days. We had a nice smooth ride on the S&P 500. I'll bring up the chart here. Nice smooth ride off the lows and have just been kind of chopping around this zone here near the highs the last few days. But what I'm noticing is some pretty positive earnings reactions that turn into great trades. We'll start things off with Tesla. As you know, Tesla had earnings a couple of days ago, and before earnings, it was just kind of around that 860 level. The stock opened up the next day after reporting earnings, opened lower, and then had a massive move coming on way higher than average volume. The following days saw Tesla well over $1,000. And so these positive earnings reactions can turn into some pretty great trades. We'll look at Google today. Google announced earnings last night. The stock opened, basically flat today. And then, boom, massive move, higher than average volume. And this turned out to be a great trade, and one that Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com added to our active trade list today. Now let's take a look at Ford, ticker F. So as the close happened, Ford closed at the lows, but as they announced earnings, boom, positive reaction, higher than average volume. So I think Ford could be a stock to watch into tomorrow. Now, what we'll want to see if the stock does open higher or around the area that it's at right now is a nice strong move through that 1670 level. Ideally, in this market, I really want to see stocks make new highs and do it on higher than average volume. So as it stands right now here in the post market, it's kind of coming close to that area. But we'll see how it opens tomorrow, because sometimes you can get some wacky moves after market or pre-market, and then it doesn't translate during normal market hours. So keep an eye on Ford tomorrow. We'll want to see a strong move through that 1670 level coming on higher than average volume. And it's a great reminder that if you're looking at a stock and they have positive earnings reports, look for positive reactions. So I hope that video was helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. We'll see you next time.